Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, in the given figure, a circle is inscribed in a triangle PQR. If PQ equals to 10 centimeters, QR equals to 8 centimeter, and PR equals to 12 centimeter, what is the length of RM? In triangle PQR, here we have given PQ equals to 10 centimeters. Then PR equals to 12 centimeters and QR equals to 8 centimeters. As we know that the lengths of tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. So here we can observe QM equals to QL. Suppose this is X centimeter. RM equals to RN. Suppose this is Y centimeters. PL equals to PN. Suppose this is Z centimeters. Now, here we have given that QR equals to 8 centimeters. And from figure we can observe QR equals to QM plus MR, that is X plus Y equals to 8 centimeters. Suppose this is equation number 1. PQ equals to PL plus LQ, that is Z plus X, and it is given as 10 centimeters. And PR equals to PN plus NR, that is Z plus Y, it is 12 centimeters. Now adding 1, 2 and 3, as here we have to find the length of RM, and length of RM means we have to find the value of Y here. So after adding this 1, 2 and 3, we get X plus Y plus Z plus X plus Z plus Y equals to 8 plus 10 plus 12, which is 30. That is 2 times X plus Y plus Z equals to 30. That is X plus Y plus Z is 30 by 2 means 15 centimeters. Suppose this is 4. Now to find the value of Y, so from 2 and 4 we have 10 plus Y. If we subtract 2, from 2 and 4 we will get 10 plus Y equals to 15. So Y will be 15 minus 10 means 5. Hence length of RM is 5 centimeters.